Hello, this is Alistair Paragas from Forfront Technologies, here to better teach you about Google. As you know, Google is invented by Larry Page and Sergey Brin, and it is a search engine using a spider software to manipulate and gather data evolving in the World Wide Web, rank them according to their popularity and relevancy, and store them in a huge database. Today we know Google is not only a search engine, but basically our whole entire internet life. And this is basically to inform people how they can use Google to the fullest extent. One thing that is a really knockoff in Google is Google Web History. Google Web History basically keeps track of what you type down in their text box so they can make relevant choices about the search items they're going to present to you. It's all about relevancy out in the internet. As you can see, these were my searches stored in the actual Google website. Next is Google Calendar. Google Calendar, as you can see, looks pretty similar to Microsoft Outlook's calendar, but the big upside is that this is on the cloud. You can access this anywhere that you have the internet, and the internet is accessible and it's powered on. You can keep track of events, let's say events, create event, see? And when that event comes, I get immediate notification that that event is happening today. Gmail, I'm sure most of you have known Gmail. Gmail is Google's very own emailing service. It is, in my opinion, the best email service out there. I used to have Yahoo email, but seeing Gmail's capability of connecting multiple email accounts, organization, and just the simple yet fast layout just wins it top on top. Picasa is a cloud image editing service also owned by Google. It's basically Photoshop but out in the internet. I barely use it, but it is quite helpful. Google Docs is so convenient. Why? I can store every kind of things in here, documents from my computer, and I can access them all over the world if I have internet access. Not only that, it gives me a quick preview of what each document contains. It even allows me to edit it right in the cloud. Right now I'm opening my very own essay that I'm in a European history class, and as you can see, it is a docx document, meaning that it was made in Microsoft 2007, Word 2007, and yet I can edit it right here in the fun of Google Docs, which is perfectly easy and convenient. Also, the other thing I like about Google Docs is that you can make forms, create new form, and these forms can be sent to any single, what do you call this, any single person you would like it to be sent to. So let's say you're holding a survey about your website or trying to gather data about a person's personal preferences. Google, this form from Google Docs can really help you and save you a lot of time in making a quick and beautiful form. Google Reader is very useful if you use RSS feeds. It's basically just collects RSS feeds for you, and if you don't know what RSS is, it's basically data that you subscribe in the internet and it gets sent right into your inbox, which is kind of like email and subscribing combined. Last but not least, Google Voice. I love Google Voice because one thing, it's free. It allows me to call anyone from the United States and Canada for free. And if you've seen my video, you'll even love it more as it allows you to have your own free phone number legally. Well, I hope you've known more about Google and its services. Please comment, rate, and subscribe. This is Alistair from Forfront Technology, and I'm out.